Hi, I'm Amy McCarter. Welcome to House Calls, brought to you by KaMMCO, where Kansas healthcare professionals deliver health insight. Today I'm speaking with Dr. Rebecca Reddy of Wichita about smashed fingers. Thank you for being here today. Is this a common injury for young children?
Smashed fingers and toes are one of the most common phone calls for injuries that my office gets every year. And they are very common in young children when they're at those ages where they act before they think. And most of the time, swelling and bruising of the tissues is the only real injury that occurs. It's not so common that young children will actually break bones. When a child has a smashed finger injury or a smashed toe injury, the most important thing to do is to try to relieve pain quickly. And you can do that with an ice pack or just by putting a hand or a toe in a cup or a bucket of cold water. And then as soon as possible, give them some ibuprofen or Tylenol to reduce pain. And then the calm reassurance and calm demeanor from the parent is also very helpful. Once the child has calmed down a little bit, it's important to wash the finger or the toe well with soapy water and apply some antibiotic ointment or antibiotic spray.
How do you know when you should call the doctor?
So there's a few things that happen that usually require a doctor's referral or a doctor's care, and that would be when you see that there's a collection of blood that's occurring underneath the nail and it's becoming more and more painful. Secondly, if the finger or the toe can't be bent and straightened normally. Thirdly, if you ever see that there's obvious bad damage to the nail, such as a cut that's deep into the nail or affects the cuticle of the nail, that can be serious and that needs a doctor's evaluation. And then of course, if you feel like there's a big opening in the skin that needs stitches, that should be seen.
Okay, that's great information. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you.
Please join us next week for a new health topic discussion on House Calls.